Okay, we're coming to the end. The last parameter that I would like to show you is the base point. It may seem like a strange one, but it can be quite useful. In this example, it's really just a bit of fun. You can see how it applies to your own workflow. Before we get started, I expect that you're pretty good at AutoCAD and can use it to a reasonable standard. You must be able to edit and create blocks. You should have a pretty good understanding of how to use parameters and actions, and you should also understand the consequences of working with chained and unchained actions. I strongly encourage you to watch the rest of the course before you dive straight in with this one if you're unfamiliar. And as always, please bring your enthusiasm. It helps me out a lot. What will you learn? How to use the Basepoint parameter. Let's go. Start from this reference drawing. So we're going to use the Basepoint parameter, and I'm going to attach it to the satellite. You'll see that the base point of the block is actually at 0, 0, but this base point is now relative to wherever the satellite is. Why is this important? Well, if we then start to move the satellite around, we can also move the base point at the same time. Let's add a rotation parameter and a rotation action and see how this works. You'll notice that I not only selected the satellite, but also the base point parameter, which means that when you rotate the block, you also rotate the base point. Dependent on the block that you're making, this can be an extremely useful tool. I'll allow you to experiment and find out what works for you. I have one last lesson which will help you combine everything you've learned into one block. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my Patreon. In addition to the lessons that are available online for free, I also have a number of in-depth practice exercise, written instructions, and starter files and example files that are available to download. Please check the description. You're supporting not just me, but learners all over the world from a diverse set of backgrounds, different levels of education, and different starting points. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.